Hi, everyone. Welcome to the Financial Sigma, and today I'm going to be sharing with you how I built a six-figure business online. Before I get started, I want to let you know that building a successful online business isn't easy, and it does require a lot of hard work, dedication, and patience. It can be tempting to try to find the quick fix or the secret formula to success, but the truth is that building a successful online business takes time and effort. You have to be willing to put in the work and be patient as you see your business grow. But if you're willing to put in the effort, it can be an incredibly rewarding experience. Not only can it provide you with a financial income, but it can also give you a sense of pride and accomplishment in knowing that you built something from the ground up. I found a niche that I was passionate about and had some expertise in. Before you can start building a business online, you need to find a niche that you're passionate about and have some knowledge or expertise in. This is important because it will give you the motivation and drive to keep going even when things get tough. A niche is a specific area of focus or market segment that a business can target. For example, the niche for a business selling handmade jewelry might be bohemian-inspired accessories for women. Finding a niche that you're passionate about can help you stay motivated and engaged in your work, which is important for success. If you're passionate about your niche, you're more likely to put in the time and effort required to build a successful business. It's also important to have some knowledge or expertise in your chosen niche. This can help you create valuable and high-quality products or services, as well as position yourself as an authority in your field. Before you start building a business online, it can be helpful to do some research to ensure that there is a demand for the products or services you plan to offer. This can help you gauge the potential profitability of your business and make informed decisions about how to proceed. I created a website or platform to sell my products or services. Next, I needed to create a platform where I could sell my products or services. This could be a website, an e-commerce store, or even a social media account. I chose to create a website because I felt it gave me the most control and flexibility. I spent some time researching the best website building tools and eventually settled on one that was easy to use and had all the features I needed. When creating a website or platform to sell your products or services, it's important to choose a tool that is easy to use and allows you to customize your site to match your brand and goals. There are many options available, including website builders, content management systems, CMS, and e-commerce platforms. Some popular website builders include Wix, Weebly, and Squarespace. These platforms offer a range of templates and design tools to help you create a professional-looking website without the need for coding skills. CMS platforms like WordPress, Joomla, and Drupal are another option. These tools offer more advanced features and are typically more customizable, but may require some technical knowledge to set up and use. E-commerce platforms like Shopify, BigCommerce, and WooCommerce are specifically designed for online stores. These platforms typically offer a range of features to help you manage your inventory, process payments, and handle shipping and returns. In addition to choosing the right platform, it's also important to think about the layout and design of your website. A clean, well-organized layout can help make it easy for customers to find what they're looking for and make a purchase. Finally, it's a good idea to consider the user experience, UX, of your website. This includes things like the speed and performance of your site, as well as the overall look and feel. A positive UX can help keep visitors on your site longer and increase the chances of them making a purchase. I built an email list and engaged with my audience. An email list is an incredibly powerful tool for any online business. It allows you to stay in touch with your customers and build a relationship with them. I made sure to regularly engage with my audience through newsletters, special promotions, and exclusive content. I also made sure to ask for feedback and use it to improve my products and services. Building an email list is an important step in growing your online business. It allows you to stay in touch with your customers and build a relationship with them over time. There are several ways to build an email list, including using opt-in forms on your website or social media accounts, offering incentives like discounts or freebies for signing up, and promoting your email list through ads or collaborations. Once you have an email list, it's important to regularly engage with your audience by sending newsletters, promotional emails, and other types of content. This can help keep your brand top of mind and encourage people to make purchases or visit your website. It's also important to ask for feedback from your customers and use it to improve your products and services. This can help you better understand the needs and wants of your target market and make your business more appealing to them. In addition to email marketing, there are other ways to engage with your audience, such as through social media, blog posts, or webinars. These channels can be great for building a community and interacting with your customers in real time. Finally, it's important to be authentic and genuine when engaging with your audience. This can help build trust and loyalty, which are essential for the long-term success of any business. I focused on providing value to my customers. Providing value to your customers is key to building a successful online business. Whether it's through high-quality products, excellent customer service, or valuable content, making sure that your customers feel like they're getting their money's worth is essential. I made sure to go above and beyond for my customers and always put their needs first. I diversified my income streams. Finally, I made sure to diversify my income streams. This means that I didn't rely on just one product or service to make all of my money. Instead, I had multiple streams of income coming in from different sources. This helped to reduce my risk and ensure that my business was sustainable in the long run. So, those are the main steps that I took to build a six-figure business online. Again, it wasn't easy and it did take a lot of hard work, but it was all worth it in the end. If you have a passion for something and are willing to put in the effort, you can achieve great things online. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. Thanks for watching.